Alright, if you've ever wanted to create your own AI chatbot for customer support, websites, business automation, or personal projects, yeah, it's much easier now than most people think. In this full guide, I'll show you how to build chatbots using ChatGPT in 2026 step by step. First, understand what a chatbot actually is. A chatbot is software that can answer questions, assist users, automate conversations, and provide information automatically. Before building anything, decide what your chatbot should actually do. For example, customer support, appointment booking, study help, e-commerce assistance, FAQ answers, or content generation. Now open ChatGPT and start testing conversation ideas. Think about how the chatbot should respond. Should it sound professional, friendly, casual, technical, or educational? Now, plan the most common conversations users might have with the chatbot. This includes greetings, FAQs, support questions, and fallback responses. The chatbot's quality depends heavily on prompts and instructions. Clear prompts help the AI respond more accurately and consistently. To make the chatbot useful, connect it to websites, apps, or messaging platforms. Modern chatbots can automate tasks like answering questions, collecting user information, scheduling appointments, or generating content. Testing is extremely important. Keep improving prompts, fixing weak responses, and refining conversation flows. And yeah, that's how you build chatbots using ChatGPT in 2026. Once you understand prompts, automation, and conversation design, creating useful AI assistants becomes much easier.